Hello YouTube, my name is Josh Barnes, back here with another YouTube video. This is a part 2 of Magic the Gathering
opening booster
pack unboxing, blah blah blah. This time we're doing this pack.
Which is his.
Yeah, this is one of mine. Here's my sister.
Hello.
If you didn't watch the first video.
And here's my puppy.
Yeah, here's Stink.
This is my adorable cuteness. Yes, I do.
If you didn't watch the first video, her YouTube channel will be dropped in the description. The other video was on my channel, but whatever.
The next two will be on mine.
Hers is there. Yeah. So we'll start opening this pack. So we're just gonna rip it open.
Jeez, dude.
And
You're so careless.
Here's a
I'm so bad
Knight
at this.
of the Tusk. It's a Vigilance card, and it's a 3/7. That's a pretty big toughness. Tolerant Scholar. It's a 2/3 creature human wizard. Here's an Onake Org. We haven't seen any Org so far.
He's just a 4/2.
Cool. Here's one of my favorite.
Yeah, this is one of our favorite
enchantments. We have a couple of them. It's just a 3/3 enchantment card, +3/+3, whatever. Doomed Descender.
When Doomed Descender dies,
1/1.
create a 2/2 black zombie creature token.
Interesting. Here's an artifact creature. It's just a 2/1. That's a very scary picture.
It looks like the night before Christmas.
It does. Here's a Colossal Dreadmaw. He's a 6/6 trample card. Very interesting. He's apparently a dinosaur.
Arrgh! I can't see no dinosaur in that.
Essence Scatter. It's an instant. It's a counter target creature spell.
That'd be perfect for me.
Naturalize. It's another instant. Destroy target artifact or enchantment. I need a bunch of those.
Yes, you do.
Thud. That's a sorcery. An additional cost
to cast the spell. Sacrifice a creature. Thud deals damage equal to the sacrificed creature's power to any target.
So you're gonna sacrifice a card and attack any target a creature to attack with that sacrificed creature's power. And then Diamond Mare, that's a pretty neat looking picture. I like it. Artifact creature, it's a horse, it's a 1/3. When it enters the battlefield, you can choose a color. Whenever you cast a spell of the chosen color, you
I think I have a card that goes with that.
That's pretty cool. Here's a Sift.
Draw 3 cards, then
sorcery.
discard a card.
That's pretty neat. Helpful when you're trying to get through the deck.
At the beginning of your upkeep, target opponent puts the top 3 cards of their library into their graveyard. Then you draw a card for each land card put into that graveyard this way. Right?
That's pretty specific. It might be helpful some of the time.
Infection Horror. Whenever Infection Horror attacks, each opponent loses 2 life. Jeez. And he's a 2/2 card. Please don't do that.
That's a pretty helpful card to play in the beginning.
Maybe we should let Dad have that.
Yeah, he's kind of a expensive one. Here's the last 2.
Why is he upside down?
Xenocal Lawless Revenger.
Why'd you turn this guy upside down?
He's not upside down. Use this card to represent a double-faced Nicol Bolas card in your library or hand. I'm not sure what we're supposed to do with that quite yet. If you have any idea, yes, it does. If you have any idea, I'd love to hear your opinion in the comments. Another thing I'm not quite sure on is the scry effect. If you have any idea what that does, I'd love to know. Thank you. Put it in the description. And the last card is a
Soldier.
white 1/1 token soldier. I'm pretty sure I need a couple of these. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.